Hey everyone, my name is Ryan. Welcome to Ryan Reviews, and in this product review, we're going over the Neptune 3 Pro 3D printer. Now, we bought this product because my mom makes cakes and she was looking for specific items that would help her make cakes better, and we couldn't really find anything commercially or in retail stores that helped her for what she needed, so we opted to buy this. Now, there are many features we like about this product. One, it's really easy to assemble. It has the directions in order to put this product together. Once you put in the model that you're looking for, it produces the product very quick, very accurate, and I also like the auto leveling feature that it has with this product. And I hope this brought some clarity to your buying journey.